Your device isn't compatible with this version. Are you having this issue? Then you are at the right place to diagnose your issue. Without further ado, let's get started. In the first place, you need to update your Play Store. To update your Play Store, open Play Store and click on your profile. Click on Settings. Now click on About section. Now tap on Update Play Store. As you can see here guys, my Play Store is already updated. Now next thing you need to do is that you need to clear the keys file of Play Store. To clear the keys file, you need to open up the settings and find out the section called Apps. And tap on Manage Apps. Now you need to search Play Store on the search bar. Tap on it. After that you need to tap on Clear Data option. Tap on Clear Cache. Tap on OK. Again you need to tap on Clear Data and tap OK. Once you done that, check whether the problem is fixed or not. Return time, go to settings and search. You need to try the next method, which is about updating your mobile phone version. Open settings and go to section called About Phone. Tap on the logo of MIUI version. Now if it is asking an update, then please update your phone. Lastly, all you can do is that if you are experiencing the same problem, then you can download that app from Google Chrome. Yeah, open your browser and search the app that you want to download on your phone. I want to download KineMaster. I'm typing KineMaster download, and from here you can download directly into your phone.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.